It's raining outside. We can't go outside and play.
Let's see the Muppets Got Ham commercial. Till Nikki gets here.
What kind of canned ham do you have?
I recommend the Wilson Certified canned ham. It's the only tender-made ham.
Do you have Brand X?
Yeah, but you don't want that.
Give me Brand X.
Okay.
Ouch!
I told you to take the Wilson Certified. You never get burned.
Snicky's here, Squidgy. Come on! See what I got for the Christmas party? It's the snowflake spinning snowman for Christmas. Just press the button, and they sing "We Wish You a Merry Christmas" in French. Try it, Tigson Goldstone. Yes, Nicky. That's it. Jump down to catch them.